Have you ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face or how self driving cars see the road? Welcome to the fascinating world of computer vision, where machines learn to see and understand images just like humans do. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover what computer vision is, how it works, and the amazing applications transforming our world. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about AI, this guide will make everything crystal clear. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world. Think of it as giving eyes and a brain to machines. When you look at a photo of a cat, your brain instantly recognizes it. But to a computer, that image is just millions of numbers, pixels with different brightness and color values. Computer vision bridges this gap, teaching machines to extract meaning from these numbers. It's like teaching a baby to recognize objects, but instead of a brain, we use algorithms and neural networks. Let's break down how computers see. Every digital image is made up of pixels, tiny dots of color. A single pixel has three values: red, green, and blue, ranging from 0 to 255. For example, a 1920 by 1080 HD image contains over 2 million pixels. That's over 6 million numbers the computer needs to process. A color image is essentially a three-dimensional array of numbers. Grayscale images are simpler. Each pixel is just one number representing brightness from black to white. This is where computer vision starts, converting visual data into mathematical data that algorithms can process. Computer vision has four main tasks. First, image classification, identifying what's in an image. Is this a cat or a dog? A car or a bicycle? Second, object detection, finding and locating multiple objects in an image. Where is each object and what is it? Third, semantic segmentation, labeling every single pixel. Which pixels belong to the road, which to the sky, which to pedestrians? Fourth, image generation, creating new images or modifying existing ones, like AI art generators. Each task requires different algorithms and approaches, but they all rely on the same foundation: neural networks learning patterns from millions of training examples. The secret behind modern computer vision is convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. Think of them as layers of specialized filters that detect different features. The first layer might detect simple edges and lines. The second layer combines these to find shapes and textures. Deeper layers recognize complex patterns like eyes, wheels, or fur. It's like building understanding step by step. Just as you recognize a face by first seeing eyes, nose, and mouth, then combining them into a whole, CNNs work the same way. Here's the magic. The network learns these features automatically by training on millions of labeled images. Show it thousands of cat pictures labeled cat, and it learns what makes a cat a cat. Computer vision is everywhere. Medical imaging uses it to detect diseases in X-rays and MRI scans with superhuman accuracy. Self-driving cars combine multiple cameras to understand their surroundings in real time. Facial recognition unlocks your phone and helps find missing people. Agriculture uses drones with computer vision to monitor crop health. Manufacturing catches defects faster than human inspectors. Augmented reality apps like Snapchat filters track your face in real time. Even retail stores use it to analyze customer behavior and manage inventory automatically. The future of computer vision is incredible. We're moving toward real-time 3D scene understanding, emotion recognition, and AI that can understand context like humans do. Today, you learned how computer vision transforms images into data, how neural networks learn to see, and the applications changing our world. From pixels to intelligent perception, that's the power of computer vision. Want to explore more? Check the description for resources to start your own computer vision projects. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.